Love watching your friends squirm? Then jot down these killer dares. Just don't be on the receiving end. Alright, spell check done. A pop-up ad? What's going on with those brows? That's pretty cool. I'm gonna do it. Let's see here. Oh god! I took the whole thing off? What's up, Kylie? Oh, just ruining my face is all. I know how to make it better. I can draw it for you. And there! Looks pretty good, huh? Check out this video I found. Is that a tattoo? With just some water, you can get tatted up like that guy. Up for a little tattoo dare? Better hop to it. Let's show a little more skin. I've got your first tat ready to go. How's that placement for ya? Not too bad. Number 2. See? They don't hurt at all. And before you know it, every inch is covered in ink. Pretty cool. I look pretty good with these. My cool factor just went up about 10 notches. Is that Kylie? Wow! Boy, Nick. Your grandma sure knows how to cook.
Save room for my famous chicken feet? So handsome.
Are those nails?
Enjoy, sweet babies.
In the mood for chicken feet? Please, no! What chicken was this attached to? Gah! It waved! A little dip should help. Here we go! I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm gonna need a bucket. What's one more, right? Impressive. They taste just how they look. Wow, Kylie. I'd better get rid of my feet. That was close.
You kids like the chicken feet? Kylie, finish up! Don't you want to be strong? My big strong boy. Grr. Nope, come back to Granny.
Why is this floor so creaky? Is there anything good in here? Candy should do. Sweets always taste better at night. Just gotta open it here. Look at that gummy beauty! No! Huh? Think Nick heard that? Come here, little guy. Who goes there? Oh, it's just you. Whoops. Any good snacks in here? Anything? It's empty! Still nothing! What about in here? You've gotta be kidding me! Kylie! Man, those cookies were good. I could eat 1,000,000 of them. And all I have left are crumbs! This is so tragic. But I know how to fix it. Hi there! Who's here? What's that all doing here? Finders keepers, I guess. You got my food! That sure was fast, huh? Smells pretty good. Huh? What did I just bite down on? Looks like a card or something. No way. I can't, Nick! Why? Ready to mix things up? You totally got this. Here we go. I usually put fruit in my smoothies. A burger? And ice-cold Coca-Cola. I hate soggy food. So gross. Wait! You can't forget dessert! I really hate that guy sometimes. That's so bad! Goodbye, delicious fast food! I can't believe I'm doing this! Ooh, that's creamy! Just a chocolate milkshake, right? I couldn't miss this. Cheers, Kylie! Yep. Interesting. Oh, I'm gonna blow! Okay, ladies and gents. Feast your eyes on the best pizza dough you've ever seen. This is how you knead it, right? Oh no! Nick! I, totally broke a nail! There are bigger problems in life. Like a dare. Just gotta make one adjustment. No! Anything but these! I'm gonna poke my own eye out! I can't possibly knead dough. I guess that's what pins are for. Okay, slowly making progress. Oh, that sure hurt. These things are like weapons. This is where things get really tricky. Anyone have a can opener? 'Cause these things aren't gonna cut it. I've almost got it! I like mine with lots of sauce. And an ample amount of cheese. Of course. Salami time! If I could open this stupid thing. Plastic wrap's my enemy these days. No! Stop that salami! Or don't. And they'll taste great with olives. If only I could grab one. Hey! My hand's suddenly a fork. On you go, little guys. Done. I almost forgot. We gotta heat up this bad boy. Watch that cheese melt, baby. Looking good. Look, Kylie. I totally nailed it. And speaking of nails… Oh, Nick. You didn't! Blow it out! Crisis averted. Ooh, found a little extra cheese. Bro, you're kidding, right? Shh, I'm on the phone, Kylie. Let's go to a movie. Hey, Nick's here. You won't believe this. I ran into this super fat cat. Can't you see I'm talking? Shh. Seriously? Talk about bad table manners. Nick! I got an awesome new game! Come on, it'll be fun. You still like games, don't you? Not that face. So, yeah? It does look fun. Actually, what were you saying? Alright, that's it. What could possibly be so important that you can't talk to your friend? Come on, I'm talking here. He's really glued to that thing. What? It's dare time, dude. No phone? Psh. You can't reject a dare. Oh yeah? Try me. You can't even reach up here. Just watch me. I can't believe I got it! Kylie! Don't do it! I'm gonna accept the dare for you. Can't use your phone now. I'm coming to save you, phone! And in he goes. Clothes, shoes, and all. He's really diving deep, huh? But little does Nick know, his phone isn't really in the pool. And if you look closely, Kylie had a fake in her pocket. And she tossed it into the pool. He looks angry. What would you do if you were dared to blend up a burger or cover your body in tattoos? Watch these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fun challenges!